Columns drive works like a normal cloud drive. You may have been using Google Drive or Dropbox, but columns drive focuses on data extraction. The same way you just upload, drag and drop, all the files you have, like PDFs or images, into a predefined folder. In the folder, you can describe what the data it contains, and importantly, you can give it some hint about what kind of structured fields you want to extract from. For example, here I created a client invoice folder. Just like here, you can create it. Target my data fields as some key information such as company address, client, and client address, invoice number, invoice date. Some informations we define here, but may not include all of them. Let's see what the folder we're going to do. We drop all the files here. Let's take a look. You can see this is like some with completely different invoice format, but they just worked. You just drop all the files, even different format, into the folder, and then we can see for the folder after you drop them in. After processing, you can see all the files are extracted. We got 16 rows, and you can download these files now for further processing. Let's take a look at what the structured data looks like. You can see this is like some fields we defined, some fields we didn't define, but the AI, the columns drive, will automatically extracting them for you, as well as like due date. We did define this, but we got it later. In the later process, we can actually further process this data to make sure they have like a unified format, like item date, item name, amount, tax, and total amount of the invoice. So this is like a success, even though I have like different format of files. You can download this for further using spreadsheets and Excel to process them, or you can just connect directly to Columns Flow to build an automated, workflow easily to process the data to get the insights or sharing of the visualizations you want.